Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another flip through. Okay, so this is where we left off. We're gonna finish this month out right now. This is March 2020 in my March-April Creative Daily Journal. If you wanna learn how I make these books, you can go down into the description below and it will show you the link to the playlist to where it'll show you from start to finish how to make one. And it goes for any type of book. Okay, so last time I was talking about this right here, envelope cluster thing. I'll put the links below to where I got the idea from, but then I decided to make one on steroids on this page. So I made 6 envelopes. It was a lot of fun though. I love pages like this that are just so juicy and so mixed and eclectic and just so many fun elements on it. These are some of my favorite pages. Anyhow, woke at 6:30 because why? I don't have a shoe on here. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. Or on here. Holy cannoli. Okay, yeah. My daughter and I had, oh no, that's why, because we officially started walking here. Yeah. I need to find a shoe for this page. Okay, at any rate. So woke up at 6:30. I really honestly enjoy getting up that early. Like, I used to be a morning person. Then when I retired, I wasn't a morning person. And now I'm back to kind of being a morning person. I really like just having my coffee out on the patio, watching the sunrise. It's nice. It's nice. I'm beginning to like it. So, yeah. Okay, so I worked in my room and filmed a journal with me. That was fun. I like filming those. They're super fun to do. I don't know why I don't do it more often. I guess maybe I feel like who's going to want to sit and watch me do a page for, because sometimes it could take me, well, it definitely takes me 30 minutes at least to do a page, if not longer. So that might be why I don't do it more often. I'm not really sure. But I do enjoy doing them. So, let me see. Oh, and then my crafty bestie, the one that lives here locally, she's my only crafty bestie, really. But she had texted me to say that she had learned how to watch my videos on her big TV. So I just got a kick out of that. Okay, lots of different stuff to look at. This was National Waffle Day. This is a sticker from Brooke's Sticker Pack. Watched House while eating gumbo for dinner, early to bed to watch YouTube. Yeah, my in-laws are staying here at this point in time because they work temporarily out of the plant where my son and my daughter's boyfriend works and where my husband worked for a very long time. And when the outage comes, it's like everybody's in bed by 8:30, like everyone. I don't know. It's weird. Anyway, so just keep going. This is just a little tag I made. Watch some TV. Oh my goodness. Yeah, my husband was in such pain. He woke up at 11:30 the night before and stayed up. I mean, oh my goodness. Yeah, his sleep schedule is really, really off. But he still is like the Energizer Bunny. I mean, he took meals over to Sunshine because our son is working 12-hour night shift, so he doesn't really have time to cook. So my husband's taking meals to his house for him. He's like Meals on Wheels for our son. He's making breakfast for Beauty Queen and myself. He's making us lunch. He's making us dinner. He's cleaning up. He's grocery shopping. He's keeping busy, but he's doing it all in pain. I mean, he just amazes me. I don't think there's anything on this ticket here. Nope. Just a cute little ticket. And on here, this is just cute. Nothing on there either. So there you have it. I should probably put a shoe on there. Okay, this right here is like the cellophane that comes on a bouquet of flowers, and this is supposed to be my husband. Some people strengthen others by being the kind of people they are, and that is my husband right there. He had bought me a bouquet of flowers, so sweet. And then I got a snail mail from Sweet Allison. I love how she put snailed it on her thing. These are just some funny memes because that's how I cope with what's going on in the world today. And then in here, she made this lovely pocket, right? It has her her note in it, which is on a cute little postcard that says, "Let's be mermaids." And then this was like a collage of napkins, super fun. And this talks about getting up at 6:30 again. Yep, I've been doing it consistently. Caught up on Facebook, then we went for our walk. Big Handsome went to the store and he needed toilet paper. We needed toilet paper, so, and still no eggs. And he brought home flowers for me, so sweet. And then yes, I did not watch this. This tiger is on here for a reason. My daughter and husband were watching that weird tiger, whatever it was. I did not watch it, but they did. To have a grievance is to have a purpose in life. Oh, gosh. Oh, that is so my life story. Oh, my gosh. Okay, so this talks about an inspection report, right, that came in from our bungalow, and there were just, it was filled with ridiculous DIY things. So at any rate, we decided on, you know, a counter and all that kind of junk. And, yeah, so it's, you know, Big Handsome's pretty stressed about the whole, you know, process of selling. We've been through it many times before, so, you know, it'll all work out in the end. Okay, this is me being salty about the stimulus bill, but I won't go into that. Yep, but excited for BQ because she should be getting a check, so that's good. Okay, so there's that. Let's see, I'm hoping to finish this month. Little paper clip with just a piece of mysterious pillowcase on it. Okay, so this here, okay, there's my little sneaker here. This is a tissue paper background, beautiful picture from a vintage botanical book. These are words from the little desk calendar that my daughter gives to me. Joy happens to us when we allow ourselves to recognize how good things really are. That was something I really needed to focus on at this point, instead of my grievances. Okay, so on this, these are just the little notes that I have in the pocket. So this is about our realtor calling about the bungalow. Oh, the nerves, the mystery, oh, the nerves, the mysteries of this machine called man. Oh, the little that unhinges it, poor creatures that we are. Yes, I'm easily unhinged if you haven't noticed. So yeah, that was something about why I became unhinged on that particular day. Yeah. This was also about, is something about a dominant trait. I'm surprised it wasn't complaining spirit. I don't know. Anyway, so I slept until 7:30. Oh no. Oh, that was to give BQ a rest. So we went walking. Oh, I woke with chest pain. Yeah, it's just not fun. But it is what it is. So anyhow, got home, made my shake, opened my sweet happy mail from Allison on a journal with me video. So sweet that she sent it. Worked on the cluster page on steroids that I showed you. This one right here, worked on this page. That was super fun to do. Super fun to do. And then spent time by the pool with Beauty Queen, yes. And then while we were out there, yeah, we got this blaring like alert on our phone urging us to stay in our homes. And I'm pretty sure we had already been doing that. So I don't know why they decided to send us that alert out of the middle of nowhere. And then we watched Outlander. Yeah, we were, at this point in time, we were still watching Outlander. Okay, so this was like a sticker from, all these were stickers from, in fact, because it was toward the end of the month, so I was using up the stickers from Brooke's sticker pack. So slept in a bit. I had a terrible night's sleep. Oh, I still had chest pain. Yeah, I have that stuff called costochondritis or something like that. It's where my rib cage, the cartilage in my rib cage swells. Not fun, but you know, whatever. Poor Big Handsome. He woke up at 1:30 and was up the rest of the day. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so yeah, pissy moods all around that day. On this page here, this is a sparkly doily I had made, a regular doily, and then this background, this flowered background is a pretty cute, a flowery muffin cup, right? And then I did some blanket stitching on the side just because why? It's fun. Now this day here, I didn't have notes for this day, so this whole thing, you know, what's it called, Elizabeth? What's it called? Quote, okay? This whole quote is from Mantra Wellness Magazine. So, and this is the other side of the previous page. So this here went for my walk with Beauty Queen. Oh, I had gotten these, a sweet, it'll be in my next flip through or my, yeah, the next part of my journal. But, I had gotten these a sweet happy mail and received a whole bunch of shoes. Well, from a few people. I received some from Deidre, sweet Deidre, and I received from a sweet viewer named Pam. So thank you so much for those. Yeah, I appreciate it. And then this, yeah, Life's Little Peeves. Okay, here I am complaining again. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you just got to get it out though. I mean, that's how I feel. So this was a Monday. I did Belly Buster day 1 on this day, and let me just tell you right now, this whole Belly Buster thing did not last very long at all. It kicked my butt, and yeah, couldn't deal. So it was a Monday called Grandma filmed 3 flip-throughs this day and a throwback Thursday video from my March 15th, 2000, not March 15th, from my March 2015 Fobonichi. Yeah, sat out by the pool with BQ. On this day, they had extended the stay at home to 4:30. Well, it is 4:30, so I don't know what that means, but maybe I meant 5:30 and wrote 4:30. I'll have to look at my notes for that. Fish for dinner, asleep by 9:30. Okay, then this is the last page here. I made a little, I think I might have done a video journal with me. I'm not sure. Here are some humorous memes I found just because that's the way I cope. Belly Buster day 2, killing me. Made this tag. Oh, here, yeah, I know I talked about this before. This was an email that I had sent to Daphne's Diary asking about their copyright laws, and they assured me that I am allowed to cut and paste from their magazine into my journals, share it on YouTube, share it on Instagram, share it on Facebook, as long as I say it's from them. Like, you know, the picture is from them, I guess. Okay, so, oh, I didn't do the journaling. Criminy sakes, I have worked so hard getting these journals done, and I forgot journaling on this page. So, yep, there's that. Oh, well. I'll have to get back to it. In fact, I'll keep it out so that I remember to get back to it. Yep. And then stay tuned for more flip throughs as I go through April 2020. Oh my goodness. I really hope that that whole entire video was not out of frame. So I hope you've been enjoying the flip throughs and the various other videos that I've been putting up lately. I hope you all, you know, stay safe, stay home, all that good stuff. Yeah, have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week, and I'll catch you all later. Bye for now.